In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add forms in Constant Contact email. The goal here is simple. You are going to place a button inside your email, and that button will send people to a landing page that already contains your form. This is a clean and reliable way to collect signups or inquiries because it keeps your email design uncluttered while still making the form easy to access. Start by opening the email you want to edit in the Constant Contact editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can change the layout and content of the message. It helps to scroll through your email first and decide where the form link should live. Common spots are near the top for visibility, or near the end after you have explained the value of signing up. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click the Tools tab. This is where you will find different elements you can add to your email. Once you are in Tools, find the button icon. Click and hold it, then drag it into your email and drop it exactly where you want the call to action to appear. If you place it in the wrong location, you can move it later, but getting it close to the right section will save time. Now click directly on the button you just added so you can edit its settings. You will see options for what the button should do. Choose Link and then select Landing Page. This tells Constant Contact that the button will point to one of your landing pages, rather than a normal website link. From the landing page list, select your pre-made lead generation landing page. This is the one that already includes your form. After selecting it, click Insert. At this point, the button in your email is connected to that landing page. Take a moment to confirm the button is selected and the landing page link is set correctly. Also, make sure the button is easy to see and reads clearly in your email layout. When you are satisfied, your form access is ready through that button. And that is all there is to it.